4 Best Dehumidifier for RV. Number 1. Donatello Ultra Quiet Small Room Dehumidifiers 300 square feet. This Donatello dehumidifier is a great choice for anyone looking for a compact and efficient dehumidifier. It has a capacity of 2.4 pounds, making it perfect for small spaces like bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, offices, and kitchens. Number 2. Small Quiet Portable 2000mm 68 ounces, RV Dehumidifiers. It features a compact and lightweight design that makes it easy to transport, and it comes with a manual and power plug for easy use. The dehumidifier also has an automatic shut-off function that keeps your unit safe when it's not in use. Number 3. Vival Dehumidifier with Drain Hose, 650 square feet, for RV. This dehumidifier is small and easy to transport, making it perfect for use in RVs, indoor spaces, and more. It has a tank volume of 2,000 gallons, making it perfect for larger spaces. Number 4. Invisipure Hydrowave Small Compact Portable Dehumidifier for RV. This unit can operate in continuous mode, making it perfect for use in a variety of spaces, including RVs, homes, bathrooms, closets, bedrooms, small rooms, basements, boats, and more.